Have you ever found yourself repeating the same steps over and over in Jenkins, wishing there was a simpler way? If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to import stages in a Jenkins Declarative pipeline. I totally get it. Managing multiple pipeline jobs with similar stages can feel like a never-ending chore. You're not alone in this struggle. Many Jenkins users face the same issue. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Can I import the stages in a Jenkins Declarative pipeline?" They have about 10 stages that are the same across several jobs and want to define them in one place. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the deal with Jenkins Declarative Pipelines? They offer a structured way to define your CI/CD processes, but when it comes to reusing stages, things can get a bit tricky. Let's break it down. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a powerful tip that can streamline your Jenkins setup even further. To begin with, the user can create a shared library in Jenkins. This library will contain the common stages that can be reused across multiple pipelines. Next, the user should define the stages within the shared library. This is done by creating a Groovy script that outlines the stages. After defining the stages, the user can now reference this shared library in their declarative pipeline. This allows them to import the stages easily. Finally, the user should test the pipeline to ensure that the stages are being imported correctly. This can be done by running the pipeline and checking the output. Fun fact, Jenkins was originally developed as a fork of Hudson, which was created in 2004. It's amazing how far we've come in CI/CD tools since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to create a shared library in Jenkins. This allows you to define your stages in a single Groovy file, which can then be reused across multiple pipeline jobs. To implement this, you would create a vars directory in your shared library and add a Groovy file like commonpipeline.groovy where you define all your stages. In your Jenkins file, you simply call this shared library, significantly reducing the complexity of your pipeline configuration. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly update your shared library with new stages or changes. This keeps your pipelines clean and efficient, saving you time in the long run. And there you have it. You can definitely streamline your Jenkins pipelines by using shared libraries. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips, and remember to keep your pipelines efficient.